What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We back looking at spiders because somebody sent me this, or they recommend. First of all, I'm finding who sent me to check this out because Gary Ellis. Shout out to Gary. Gary said check out Australia's bird eating spider. Now, I ain't too much of an animal person or, veterinarian and all that stuff. But one thing I know, a spider have to be very big to really just eat any type of bird. Birds are good sizes depending on what type of, I ain't never seen a bird smaller than a spider. But this is what we looking at here, folks. Shout out to Gary. I'm guessing this is one with my guy, Crocodile. Shout out to the legend. My childhood right here. Shout out to the. But this thing looked like a big tarantula. That thing is pretty big. I don't see y'all make it. I'm kind of afraid of spiders, but y'all making me obsessed with spiders now. Cause 2 days in a row I'm looking at spiders. That's okay. Cause as long as I know I ain't gonna see these things here, I'm cool. But yeah, y'all was telling me about the huntsman spider. Y'all like, hey, them things, they're they not poisonous. They ain't gonna do much to you. I think a couple of people said they got bitten by one. I mean, I wouldn't want to get bitten by these. This ain't big, but too big right here. Like, I didn't even know these like where are these coming from, but they got some little video. I don't know, but some of these things are pretty big. Like, look at that.
2 hours later. Okay. Oh, that's the one.
Look how big that thing is. Huge. Like, I think for me, it's just so impossible just to do just one video when, like, all these videos, they give you something different. And these things are just huge. And that, like, these, look, it's scaring my computer. It's scaring my computer right now, too. So, I don't know what the deal is. They're just big. But we ain't gonna, maybe it's not meant for me to see. Maybe you can check out some shorts. Because this thing, the mama spider, Charlotte, has been, what? Like, Charlotte's, oh, no, we seen that last time. Oh, no. Goliath bird eater in action. This thing is huge. Did that just eat a rat? Oh my goodness. What in the... And this somebody pet. I didn't even know you could have him as a pet. It's a feeling like you never felt before. What is it doing? I don't even know what... Was it shedding? It's a feeling like you never... I don't even know this song. Oh, it's getting out of... That thing's bigger than the other one, the huntsman. This thing look more scary. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find one of these videos and just... This, oh my... It got a bird. What? What is it doing to it? Is it just eating it slowly? Or suffocating it? What? Dang. RIP to the bird. God. That thing's strong. Spider's supposed to have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This thing look like it got about 10 legs. Or am I tripping? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That thing got about 10 legs. I know I ain't tripping. Let me go back to these pictures. That 1, 2, 4. What the? That thing got 10 legs. That's... Maybe these little two don't count. I don't know. These little two right here, maybe they don't count. That is insanity. Who has a... Y'all got? Do any of y'all have one of these as a pet, or do they just be roaming around chilling? These things are huge. Bird eating spiders, big, hairy, and danger. They not only have the largest leg span. Yeah, them things got some big legs, like they work out. They are the longest fangs. Oh, that's what it is fangs. It look like it got 10 legs. That is great. Yeah, I bet not see you, buddy. Yeah, bet not. If I see one of these, that's it. I don't know. I'm gonna lose it, but I mean, most times these spiders don't like. Even though they look scary, just look intimidating. They don't kill people. They don't kill too many people. I don't know. I know the Huntsman, y'all, like, nobody died from being bitten by it. Nobody died, like, it didn't beat somebody up or nothing like that. So, which is a good thing. But I think, if I seen this one, I don't know. This one a little thicker than the other one. This one a little thicker for sure. So I wouldn't want to mess with him. Like, I think he would give me a run for my money. I think he would probably put up a good fight for me. So, a barking spider? What? Ain't no way. A barking spider. What? No way. What is a barking spider? Is this in Australia? A barking spider. No way. Or say whistle. I gotta hear this. Let me see if it'll play. What the? Nah, there's gotta be.
The species I'm looking for are dangerous and should be left alone. Gotcha. It's a whistling spider, an Australian member of the tarantula family.
Is it gonna start whistling?
Out in the wild, whistling spiders, which are mainly tropical, live in the ground in complex, thick webs, but will temporarily move home when their burrows fill up with water, as Tony Cruz found out.
When I put my boot on, there was something in the end of the shoe.
Oh,
which
no.
I thought was a sock, so I took my boot off, put my hand in to pull the sock out, and the spider had bitten me under the fingernail, right up to the quick. That's how long his fangs were, and he wouldn't let go. He was very heavy.
Oh my!
So I pulled him up and looked at him, and finally he just let go.
Oh shoot! I thought something was on me.
Ran up the wall. It was like I was pierced with 2 needles right under.
Oh no!
I had it wrapped in a rubber band.
See that there?
When do it whistle?
See that there? What he does, he raises up, and the 2 fangs come downward, comes from the side in a pinching movement.
Oh,
Very efficient spider.
that thing got some hands.
Very aggressive. Very aggressive. And actually,
He said these hands rated E for everybody. That's crazy. Oh my man, y'all finna make me become the spider hunter out here. Dar the spider hunter. But I'm gonna get somebody else to do it though. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get somebody else to do it. I'm trying to see if this thing really bark. I'm gonna have to go through. I'm gonna have to go through this and see, man. That's well, yeah. I'm over here. Y'all got me looking up spiders, man. But man, Australia, I got some interesting things. Outside of the spider, the crocodiles, and all that. It's a beautiful, beautiful country. Outside of all of this. So, but I enjoyed this. Hope y'all did as well. Y'all hit that subscribe button, and y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.